how to do the cube in a cube in a cube pattern. So first you make the center in a center pattern, like so. Then you do the moves F and R. Then you do a U-perm. And then reverse, R prime, F prime. If the edges are not correct, then you do F and R once again, and then do the same U-perm. Then reverse, until you get a cube in a cube in a cube. Then you face the other side, like this. You do F and R, you do a U-perm, R prime, F prime. If they're correct, then you did the right thing. That's how you make a cube in a cube in a cube, without having to memorize a very long pattern. Hope you enjoyed the vid.